Okay, my name is Rachel Coleman. I am a special education teacher at Woodford County High School. I'm going to show you one of my favorite technologies to use in the classroom, which is Kahoot. You can basically make online games for the kids to play as a class on your smartboard, and they need a Chromebook or an iPad to work with. You're basically going to sign up for free. And once you do that, you're going to go to the home page, which has pre-made Kahoot, but we're going to focus on the new one. So you're going to make a new Kahoot. Once you do that, it's going to ask you if you want to do quiz, a jumble, survey, or discussion. Any of these are great to use in the classroom. We're going to focus on quiz. So once you click on quiz, it's going to come over here and ask you to fill out all this information. You click OK, go. The next thing it's going to do is have you fill out questions. Once you get that done, make sure you mark one of these in green as being the correct answer. You're going to click next. You're going to go through until you're done making questions, and then you're going to click preview. Once you click preview, you're going to see this. This is what would be displayed on your smartboard. This is what the students are going to see. You're going to have the students go to kahoot.it. Once they get there, they're going to just come to this screen. They're going to enter the PIN number that is up on the board onto their iPad or Chromebook. They're going to click enter. Once they do that, it's going to ask them to do a nickname. They can choose anything they want. Once they do that, as they all enter nicknames, it's going to show up over here on the smartboard, right there. Once all the students are in, you're going to click start. It's going to pop up the question, and it's going to ask the students if they're ready with a little bit of a countdown. It gives a 4-second. Now, what they're going to do is they're going to choose the correct answer to what's an Indian. So we know Cherokees are Indians. They can choose it by shape or by color. This is all that is on their screen, which is really helpful for our types of students. They're going to click on an answer, whatever one they want. It's going to tell them if it's right or if it's wrong, and it's going to give all the students right here that have already put in answers. Once everybody's in, you can go to get results, which is going to show where everybody went. You can ask them how they feel right here. They can click on it. Once they do that, it's going to give a little readout right here on how they feel. Of course, if they do the rest of it, it'll give the rest, but we mainly just use feelings. And this is why Kahoots is one of my favorites to use in the classroom.